This is my tripod. I'll put the model number on here. But I cut off the pan tilt head using a Dermal cutting disc, basically just like almost sawed through the, and then I've 3D printed this part, which uses the original screw which goes into the column. Yeah, it does have a crank on this. Okay, and I put a 1/4 inch No.20 Whitworth bolt in here. Goes about, well, the length of this piece of threaded rod, which I cut off a longer piece, is 25 mil, left about 5-6 millimeters out here, and that's for my so-called fluid pan tilt head, which I'll show you just now. So just use a hacksaw and a file to do that, and this gauge thing here. Tested to death on this camera for this. A bit of super glue on this might be good on the inside here to make sure it does hold in place. I might redesign, well, I tend to redesign this because what I found is that when you're screwing this in, it's wanting to turn. Yeah, it does have this almost locking screw here, and it is shaped like a D shape, but if you need to grip this part, being smooth like this is not the best grip. So I'll probably put ridges on, probably put another hole in here for a set screw. Yes, well, yeah, set screw, a grub screw to go into here to press against this piece of threaded rod here so that won't turn. I'll pop on this fluid head, which I do not believe is a fluid head. Where's the make? I think it uses more like a number of plates and friction. Okay, I'll put this on just now and show you. That's the laptop I'm setting up, well, tablet, whatever. And see, this does have pan tilt. It's a lot smoother than the supplied pan tilt head. So here's the pan tilt head screwed on. That's on there quite firm. As I say, I'll probably put some ridges on there, I think, for a grub screw when I upload the file. So this actually, in here in the column, it's like a D shape hole that this goes into, and it also goes on the outside here with, as I said, the screw that actually comes with the pan tilt head. Yep, that works alright. I can pan and tilt. Yep, that works alright. I can pan and tilt. This handle's broken. I have to repair that. It's been repaired before. I did put some extra epoxy resin stuff on here so I can easily adjust this. This is for the pan and tilt. It has a wedge thing that goes in there, I believe, or something like that, to help it be a bit more, well, friction. So it's this part here. So basically cut off using a Dermal cutting disc, cleaned it out, pop this on, put the screw in, pour No.20 1/4 inch Whitworth, 25mm long threaded rod in there, and then screw whatever head you want on this tripod. One thing about this tripod, it is, even when it's extended, it's only about eye height, about 5'5"